I'm gonna say this once, that some of my videos will be in Unity, but there are going to be new ones to replace that. First of all, my theory videos were very old, and I started to realize why people don't like it. It's wishy-washy, and yeah, you can actually tell my voice that I really don't like it. Not only that, I think it's better that it had some changes. Yes. And all those will be united. Not united. But yeah, I will still keep some of the videos, but if you have not noticed, look at the playlist, and you'll notice that these are old videos. As in, they no longer are associated with me, but why do I not put it in Unite? First of all, I kind of need them for now. Also, another thing, it's kind of better to just look back at things. Anyway, that's completely all. Bye.